Hello everyone, this is Chandana Amman. Today I'm speaking about the geothermal power generation, which is non-conventional energy. First is that contents. What are the contents we include in this video? First is introduction, advantages, disadvantages of thermal energy and its applications. First is introduction. What is geothermal energy? Geothermal energy is the heat within the earth. The word geothermal comes from the Greek word geo. Geo means earth and therm means heat. Geothermal energy is a renewable resource because it is continuously produced inside the earth. People use geothermal energy for bathing and for heating buildings and generating the electricity and geothermal power. These are all the this is the introduction about geothermal energy. Next is that what are the advantages of this geothermal energy? Geothermal energy is a solar plant to produce energy. This the thermal energy is used for cooking, baking, cost water heating and heating, etc. Geothermal energy is used as an inclination to burn down the waste. The cost of the generation is cost effective. This in the sense cost effective in the sense is geothermal energy is a renewable energy and it's a natural energy where no cost is required, and it is also very which is also eco-friendly. We can say it is also eco-friendly, and because of this eco-friendly there is no cost and it is cost effective. The fuel is used abundant and economically. The fuel which is produced from this thermal energy is used abundantly and economically. We can use this for many other purposes, like as I said before, for cooking, baking, gas water heating and heating, etc. Next is what are the disadvantages of this thermal power energy? The thermal power energy is used as a fossil fuel to generate the fossil fuels that causes pollution. Large water source is required to convert water into the stream. As thermal itself says it's the heat, so the water the as much as the water is heated, the water is evaporated in the form of water vapors and water content decreases. Hence, large amount of water is required for this heating of this thermal energy, which converts water into the stream. It is overall effective. Efficiency. It's low efficiency. In a sense, the efficiency produced is very low, and cost and maintenance cost is very high. As the thermal energy requires lots of heat, the heat produced from the gases required many gases is required, which is of higher cost. So it is a cost effective. The cost is high in this thermal energy. Next is that applications. What are the applications of this thermal energy? Thermal energy travels from a higher temperature to the lower temperature. As I said before, water into the stream. The water is here is the travels. As I said before, it's from warm to cool, and it is evaporated in the form of water vapor and can move through the water. This is the matter is like the particles can randomly move here and there, so that as the stream is produced, the water vapors are randomly moved here and there, so it can move through the matter. The potential and kinetic energy of molecules is produced. Potential is the moving particles and kinetic energy is the non-movable particles. Both are produced in this thermal energy. Faster molecules has a higher temperature, and and Faster molecules has a higher temperature. As the molecules move faster, the temperature is also high, and the temperature here produces is of much is measures how much the thermal has as some thermal something has. As a temperature, as I said before, it is cooling from warm to warm temperature to low cool temperature. This measures the energy, the thermal energy that is required here. And this is all about the thermal energy. We have studied the disadvantages, advantages, applications, introduction of this thermal energy. So in later on videos we will learn about the learn about this thermal energy. As I said, thermal is therm geo means earth, and thermal means heat. So this is all about the geothermal energy, uh, which is produced within the earth. And this is it is also derived from the Greek word. And it also it the main thing of this geothermal is it converts water vapor into water into the stream, which requires lot of water. As the water evaporates in the form of water stream, in the form of stream, so hence water required here is more, which is of which is this is eco-friendly, and this can be used for many other purposes also, like cooking, taking bath, etc. etc can be used. And this mainly moves through the matter, and it also has a kinetic and potential energy, and it has a higher temperature, and it also measures the temperature of the thermal energy something required. This is all about the thermal energy. In later on, we will learn more about the non-conventional source of energy. This is Chandana MN. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.